1964 Chevrolet. Now, this particular car, give you a little background history on it, was purchased by a family for the guys. It was kind of their project to do together, and got a lot of it done. Was used in some parades and driven, and kids got older and not into finishing it, used it the way it was. So quite a bit has been done to this car. Still could use a little TLC as body, and rust does show some issues. But let me go through what has been done on this car. First of all, engine was rebuilt, and it would have a 2.7 liter overhead cam 6-cylinder in it. That is an air-cooled rear engine mounted engine bay, of course. Also, the carbs were rebuilt. It does have a new fuel pump and filter, new clutch, balanced and resurfaced flywheel / pressure plate. They installed a dual master cylinder, what originally came with a single. It does have stainless brake lines and all new brake hardware. So as far as getting in the car and driving, like I said, they would use it in parades, drive it, have some fun with it. And the car will start right up, run smooth. We'll get to that in a little bit. We'll check out the engine bay and everything. They did install a reproduction wiring harness. And of course, all the fluids, gaskets, and filters were changed. And there are some spare parts I'll get into that go with it too. Now, if you want to see the pictures of the spare parts, pictures of this car from the underside, engine bay, luggage compartment in the front, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the pics. Now, as far as paint condition on this one, not a real high-end Trailer Queen type paint job, but does have a little glossy finish to it. Like I said, there are some problem areas, and you can see some body work that's been done on the bottoms of these doors. And like I said, it was kind of a project for a family. Some rust in the rear wheel wells, and we'll catch the other side too. Now, as far as the interior, black vinyl interior, bucket seats, 4-speed manual. They wanted me to mention windshield wipers were in op. But black vinyl interior, rubber flooring, that's all nice shape. Headliner is good in it. Now remember, financing is available. We do assist with transportation. We consider trades. And this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. You'd have to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, those still pictures, you can see the engine bay back here, the hood up. Check out the close-up pictures that I have on it. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or just click on the link in the description down below this video. That's going to take you right there. A rust area over here on the driver's side along the wheel well. Original 900 Monza emblem on the side there, and again, I'm going to show you that. Where the body will need TLC. And again, you can look in the still pictures and see that. Alright. Door panels, decent shape. And again, interior, not a bad looking interior. Radio would typically been mounted underneath the dash right here. I believe the hardware and everything for that is in the spare parts in the box. Well, let's go ahead and start this up. I want you to hear this run, see how easily it starts. That's it. It fires right up. Odometer shows 84,518. Can't confirm or deny whether that would be original or not, since once the car is so old, miles will not stay in the title. Alright. I'm going to slip around to the back of this. Be able to hear it run. There's a spare tire with it. I'm going to go through some of these parts here in a second too. So there's a fan shroud. Spare parts here. A couple heads. Looks like came off of it. There's that radio bracket. Hardware for mounting that. Looks like a blower motor. Spare tire. So that will go with the car also. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this rear hatch and let's check out the engine bay. All right, here's the rear engine compartment. And again, engine was rebuilt, a lot of things gone through it, and that'll be in the write-up and description along with this video, so you can check that out, see exactly what they did. A lot of brake work, engine work, that type of thing done to it. So there you go. If you're looking for a car to drive or maybe one to work on a little bit, like these Corvairs. This was the last year, the first gen, of course. So here you go, 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 two-door sport coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email on any of those things I just mentioned.